It's the wife. Warning. Warning.
Your mother is calling. Stop what you're doing. Call.
Oh no, it's your mom calling. What the Oh no, it's Julie calling.
Master, I have mail for you.
Your dumb sister is calling. Your dumb sister is calling. Your dumb sister. It's that idiot brother of yours. It's that idiot brother of yours.
An idiot is attempting to reach you on your cell.
This is the cell phone detection system.
Answer the phone or I'm whooping your ass.
Right, listen here, you fucking shithead bastard cunt. You're driving me up the mad fucking wall, so just listen here, answer the fucking text. Hey, you! It's a babe on the phone. Pick it up! Right, you cunt. Answer the telephone, because do you want to know how much this is fucking costing me? Every time it goes bling, bloody bling,
I don't
it goes
care
ping,
what
bloody
you're
ping
doing,
out of my
motherfucker.
fucking pocket.
You answer the
So
phone
answer
or
the
I'm gonna put a
bloody
motherfucking
phone.
cap in your motherfucking ass.
Hey, man, calm the fuck down. There's a call coming in for you.
All right, answer the phone. Come on, answer the phone. Come on, answer it. Answer the phone. Come on, answer. Come on.
Fuck off. I don't want to talk to you. Fuck off. I don't want to talk to you. Fuck off. I don't want to talk to you.